Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I'm gonna do unboxing of this POCO C71 smartphone. So let's unbox this. This is newly launched and this is made in India product. So let's unwrap this, and here you can see the POCO C71 branding over here also, and it is a 4GB 64GB desert gold, and you can see its color also. And here you can see there are three colors are there, and I have purchased in gold color, and there are two more colors is there, and it is very cheapest. So here it is, uh, cool blue and power black. So let's unwrap this. At back you will see some specifications are there, so just first unwrap this, and in this you will see a mobile phone, a handset, and it is, you can see the look of this. It is quite lightweight also, and it is finishes gold, and it is matte finish. Let's keep it this side and let's check what is in the box also. And in this you will see here it is charging cable, that is USB to type C charging cable, and one there it is the MI power adapter, you can see, and it is a 15 volt of power charger, you can see that. And there it is a SIM tool tray also given in. So let's open our smartphone first. Friends, you can see the back design also, and this back camera is 32 megapixel and front camera is 8 megapixel. And let's talk about the display, that is 6.88 inch 120 hertz adaptive HD plus display, and it has 5200 mAh battery that can last up to 2 days, and it is very light smartphone friends. And it is a 4G smartphone. In this budget this smartphone is very good. You must purchase. And let's open it, and you can see the smoothness of this. In this price range you will get 120 hertz of refresh rate. You can play any game you want. Let's see the refresh rate over here in the settings also. I just type over here and you can see 60 hertz and 120 hertz are there. I just full the brightness also, you can see here it is 120 hertz. And let's see the security features also. Let's open the settings and just scroll down. You will see security and privacy, and click on this, and here it is screen lock, fingerprint and face lock are the security features you can try here. And let's see the camera also. In this camera you can zoom up to 1x zoom and 2x zoom, maximum is 2. And you can click the pictures in ultra HD. There is a feature too, video, photos, portrait, night, time lapse are there features. Let's see the video recording quality also, and here are the resolution option. 1080 pixel at 30 fps and 720 pixel at 30 fps are there. I have clicked some picture, you can see it is in the full screen right now, and when I just zoom it, it will not get blurry, and it's look very fine, and the contrast are very good. The clarity of the picture is too good, you can see. Let's test the video quality also. So I just type over here this. Friends, you can see the video quality, it is very clear and looks like 3D. And let's see the video quality which I am playing right now. Here it is advanced. You can see you can play 720 pixel at 60 fps plus HDR in this smartphone, and you can zoom up to 8x zoom, you can see, at full screen. And let's see the sound test also. Just right here some music over here. Let's play it. You can see, friend, I just full the volume first, and here it is in full volume right now. Friends, you can see the speaker quality is good, bass is okay, and you can see the speaker over here is too small, so there is uh, not much volume that I have expected, but it's in this price range, that is very good. And let's talk about the ports and button. You can see here it is power button on off, volume up and down button. At bottom you will see one 3.5 mm audio jack, one charging port, one microphone. At this side you will see SIM card tray. At top you will see the speaker over here, and you can see, let's talk about the other settings of this smartphone and features. So let's talk about the processor in this smartphone. So it is a Unicorn T7 250. Max clock speed is 1.8 gigahertz, octa core, and that is good, and it is very smooth also. If you want to buy it, you can I have given the link in the description. You can must go there and check it out there. And in the box you will see here are some premium split grid design and premium camera disco. You can see it's like a disco, and it has 120 hertz of refresh rate, powerful octa core processor, up to 8 GB virtual RAM, and 32 megapixel dual cameras, IP52 and side fingerprint. And you can see virtual RAM will be based on memory variant, and it is India's #1 quality smartphone brand. You must try. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.